The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Morning, Anthony, Tim, good morning. It is the first day of Lent. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Ben. Good morning, Chad, Barry, Onyx, Kieran. Good morning, fellas. Today is Wednesday. I think I'm a day behind here, but it is Wednesday, February 22nd. Morning, Wayne. Amin, good morning, Dennis. Good morning and welcome. Guys, the bots are off to a hell of a start after yesterday's $4,000 day. You guys may wish to turn them off now, especially if you're trading with an Apex account. And yeah, Ben, you're up for $2,000 today. You're overall. NASDAQ alone is up over $2,000. This morning, I have, for those of you guys that are on trial, I do send a daily video update, a daily update while you're on trial. And today I will actually have two videos. I'll have this room video for you to parse through if you'd like. But I actually have done a video this morning from 6 a.m. when the bots came on until about 7:30. And the video is for some advertising that I'm doing. And the bots had two incredible trades, including a $1,300 runner on the second trade. So I'll do what I do every day, which is go over bot trades. Dennis, today is your first day in the room. I generally cover what trades or what the room is about on the first day, but every day when you come in, the bots will generally have gross, whether positive or negative, as they start trading at 6 a.m. and then I cease trading the bots at 11 a.m. So when you first come in, I go through bot trades. Morning, Hubba. I go through bot trades just to show you guys the trades that have transpired prior to coming in, but the generally accepted hours that we run the bots are 6 a.m. Eastern through 11, primarily 11 a.m., so that when I close the room, you guys will have a total, right? So that allows for transparency. It would do nobody any good if the bots were down 2,000 at 11, and then I send you an email late in the day and say, well, we were up 4,000. You guys didn't see the trades and would have nothing to compare to. So ESBot has taken two trades this morning, which is fairly active for the ESBot. We had a nice winning short right out of the gate at 616. And then we've had this long here at 659, right? All targets exceeded. But for purposes of how I'm running the ESBot, I'm taking two contracts off at target 1 and one off at target 2. I did change that yesterday as per our education on Saturday, but the ESBot is up 462.50 at this moment. Crude is also had a trade, first target only, pulled back into break even, or break even plus one actually, but crude took a trade this morning long at 7:15 a.m. and has attained first target, and that trade is done. So up 220 on crude. NASDAQ is up 2,200. It has taken three trades. And these two trades I have on video, which I will also post to YouTube. The first trade it took this morning was at 6:10 a.m. One contract off at target 1, one contract off at target 2, then the auto trail, which got taken out here at 79 on the reversal from this entry back up here at 96. And then this trade here, which is just a mammoth trade. This trade here at 650, one contract off at target 1, one contract off at target 2, and the entry here was 81, and it came off actually here at 146. So this is a 65, 6, 7 handle runner. And then we had this short here, which got targets 1 and 2 and concluded that trade. So that's the three trades on NASDAQ. NASDAQ bot is up 2,200. So you got 22, you've got 426, 28, almost 2,900 bucks on these three. YM has taken one trade. That is up 490. YM had this big long. I'm also running the same ATM on the YM as I am running on the NASDAQ. One contract off at target one contract off at target 2, and then a runner. And this entered at 157 and came out on this pullback at 230. So 40, 70, 75, 77 tick runner. That is up 490. So 33, 3,400 bucks there. And gold is currently in a short. Gold took this long here. They are all firing today. Unfortunately for me, gold got first target at 380 and then pulled back into break even +1 before it moved on to targets 2 and 3. And gold is up 410 pending the outcome of this current short. So the bots are up almost $4,000 this morning, 36, 37, 3,800, somewhere around there, pending the conclusion of this trade. Big morning for the bots, guys. On top of yesterday's 4,200. I mean, we could be up 7, 8, 9,000. Bullard was yakking at 7 a.m. Is that why? Well, I'll show you technically. I don't know if he had a reason. I don't know if that's why the markets sprinted up, but I'm going to show you technically at least why we got the bounce. Second thing I do, Dennis, and for my other trials is I read the disclaimer and then I'll go through charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. One should get target 2. Again, with gold, bots are up well over $4,000 now. You guys may wish to shut them off. Come on, 3 ticks, 2 ticks. Let's go, baby. 2 ticks, end this trade. 1 tick. Come on. We've got a snazzy little range in here, guys. Not a great range to trade the NASDAQ yet. Got it? Okay. That's exactly right, Mark. May not help with bot trades. I have done got up at 3:30. I haven't done any trades today. All right, guys. I'm going to close this trade and shut it off. It's off for now. I'm going to wait until the open of the market now on bots. No point. As soon as this gold trade closes, it's off until the opening. NASDAQ holding some small support here. 130. If you guys, oh yeah, I do, Mark. Guys, yesterday I had a problem with my trade copier. It copied no trades. I don't know why. Anybody email Apex and find out what the issue is with the trade copier? I'll try it again today. Crude is pushing resistance here at 95. Thank you, Chris. Yeah, or you could give me the Crib Notes version. What did he say? I do have the latest version of Ninja. I think it's version 27, isn't it? That's what I have, Ray. That's what I have. Oh, 27. Ninja's now got 27.1 over the weekend. Okay. Guys, looks like we're coming down. If you guys want to take a NASDAQ short, we don't have much of a target at this point. We got VWAP, but I think we break down to 98. So here's what I'll do. Here, let me do this. Hang on, guys. I am going to all right, gold got target 2. Gold bot's now up 1,110 bucks. Okay. This short got both targets. So here's where we're at, fellas, in the pre-market. 1,110 bucks, 415, 2,200, 220, 462.50. Bots are up 4,407 and 50 cents. I don't think they've had a losing trade. They have not had a losing trade this pre-market. So I'm pending short 31. ES would have just had another winning trade to target 1. So I'm pending short here, guys, at 31. First thing I'm going to do is, if it fills, it should get 33. All right, short 31. Let me just check. Check my. Come on, break below 30. Let's see if we can get to 114. Not going anywhere in 8 sellers, I can tell you that. Target number 1, 122. I'll take 3 off at 22. Let's call it 23. Nope, not what I want to do. Today is Wednesday. Let me just check news. I don't think we have anything today of any real interest. Inventories tomorrow. No. FOMC minutes. We do have NVIDIA earnings today. Oh, Baidu was before the opening. We have eBay and NVIDIA today. Network appliances as well. Yeah, Fed minutes at 2 o'clock. We should get that 23, fellas. And then I'll try to get one off at 12 or below that. I'll take one off at 17. Hanging out in the pre-market, doing nothing. If you guys want your money, take your money. You know how I love pre-market. Looks like we got 24. Come on, give me that 23. Here we go, new candle. Need to take out this swing here. Held 24. I don't know why. There's nothing there at 24. Nothing at 24. All right, target 1 hit and filled. Next target down for me is 17. And then 12. You guys good? Yeah, you're welcome. You guys good? No. Unless I missed it. I don't think so. No. I guess I could argue for support at 19. All right, I'm going to close this out. It's closed out. I could argue for that at 19, but not 24. There's no support at 24. You've gone too far back, Mark. Too far back. Same problem Deepak has. He's marking, as you are, every single area. Yeah, he's suggesting that there's 240-minute support at 24. There's not. 19. It's not a question of how far back is appropriate, Deepak. I've already taught you this. I'm not getting into education in the room. So, sorry, guys. 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds to the open. 2, 1, we're off. We're off. Buyers on the open, losing some buyers. There's the 6 or 16. Held 16. That would have been my first entry. I obviously did not take it. Let it expand it, breaking up out of that bull flag. Got all morning, Mark. All morning. It's long right here. 32, 33, 31 if you guys want it. Trading into some resistance. Your first target, if you took it at 32, 33, is going to be 38, 39. So we held the first area. We do have buyers on the open. We do have buyers in this opening 3-minute bar. All right, fellas. I'll buy 11.5 and 06. So 11.5 on a pullback. Call it 12. And add in at 6. Don't know that it comes there, but that's what I'll do. We're still holding VWAP. Nope, not going to get that. That's fine. Canceled. I am looking to sell 54. Yeah, 52, 54, 54. I'll sell 54. Well, this could go all the way to, I have hourly at 71. I would probably add in there. Didn't even get to 54. We're over 1,000 net buyers. Would have been good if I turned the NASDAQ bot back on. Everything else is on. YM missed a trade, winning trade. Not going to get 54 either. Gee. Okay, cancel that. I need a candle close, so First support is 31 now. You can try a 31. Jeez, this thing doesn't want to do anything. Headed back to that 54. Pending 54. 1,200 buyers. We have a lot of buyers, guys. No, you did not. 52.50. And then I'll add in at 65. It's not even going to get there. What a rat bag. Canceled. Minute to the candle closes here. There's a long entry at 31. It's not coming down. God dang it. NASDAQ bot long. NASDAQ bot is long. Target filled. Target 2 filled. Target 2 filled, and that's going to be all we're going to get. All right, new candle in 3, 2, 1, 0. New candle. All right. I'll buy 31. It just missed 31, but I'll buy 31. I'm buying 31. The add-in would be 25. Add-in is at 25. Assuming it gets one. If we need to get up through 41. It's holding the top of that bull flag breakout. If we get up through 38, 39, it's going to pop. All right, 25 is going to get added in. So I'm added in at 25, average cost. So what I'm going to do is take 5 off at 33. We're not really bouncing. Come on, get up here. I'll take 5 off at 33 if I can get it. Come on. Just missed it twice. 5 off at 33. Now it's a free trade. Will not let it go against me. Out. I'm flat. Flat. We're going to pull back further. I will try 19 now on a trade. 19 long. With an add in at 12. Did not get 19. Let me take a look at a bigger time frame, guys. If the hourly breaks down below 110, this is going to get hit. NASDAQ shorted on the bot. Target 1 filled. We're holding 25 with small sellers. Target 2 filled. All right, guys, I'll take a 12 long if we can break down below. We can't get below 18. We just can't break below 18 yet. But I'll take a 12 long. Okay, out on the runner. God dang it. $1,200 net buyers. Come on, give me a decent pullback to buy and hold. This is support in here. I'll try 37 if it pulls back, 37. Pending 37 now. It's gone. Pending 37 long. No. I'm out. All right, closed. It's got to pull back, guys. 37 would be my entry. Need this range to expand further. The range isn't all that large. I will definitely short 60 and add in at 70. 65 and 75. All right, support now is 48. Or resistance back above into the 53. It's annoying. Pull back. I'll buy 39 on a pullback, 39. $1,400 net buyers. Just get me in the damn trade. Nope. Here comes the up move. You can also take a 48, 49, 49. I can't even get a fill. God dang it. Come on. God dang it. I'll sell 65. It won't go there. You son of a gun, man. I'm off. I'm missing everything. We're going to pull back to 39. I would buy 39. All right, we're at 41. I'll buy 39. I don't get it. Ain't this a Bot went long on. All right. I'll buy 48, 49. I'm filled 49. And I have an add in below at 39. Let me see what I have for a target. We could get 180. $59.60 is kind of the problem. Got to get above that 60. There we go, guys. $1,760 net buyers. Got to get above 65. We get 70, 65. NASDAQ got target filled on that bot trade. I'm done with the NASDAQ bot for the day. There we go, guys. And a free trade. I'm trying to get 85 to 88 for a target. $53, $54 is now support. I'll take 3 off at 69.70. That's going to be resistance. 69. So take some off at 69. All right. 69 off. Partial position off. Now 2 to go to try to get to 88 to 90. This is big right here. 71, 72. Final target is 87. That's what I'm trying for here, fellas. 87. $2,400 net buyers. So my final target, guys, let's call it 85. Oh, I don't have 3. 85. That's where I'll get out of Dodge. Okay. Trade them as you see fit. We broke through that resistance and failed 70, which is some 60-minute stuff. We have more resistance at 77. Above 77, we get 93 to 01. Buying them ahead of FOMC minutes. Good for them. All right, I'm going to take risk off in a minute here. I'm flat. I'm flat. We're pushing a ton of resistance up here. Nice job, Michael. All right, another funded trader, fellas. Solely with the use. Okay, Mark, do your thing, man. I don't need to know what you're doing. Do your thing. I don't know what you see, and I'm doing my thing, man. Everybody good? I will try a short. All right, guys. I will try a short with minis using the ATM strategy somewhere up around 79.80. Okay? It'll just be a market. I'll hit market short. I'll tell you. $2,400 net buyers, small sellers creeping in. Here. This is done. 25.40 on the day. I'm done watching that. 25.40 on the day. Okay. I'll try a 53 quarter, 53 long. 53 long. We could come down to 40, so. You're not going to give it to me? All right. All right. Long 53. And no bounce. And no bounce. Next, the add-in would be 39. The add-in is 39. There you go, guys. All right, I took it off. I took it off. Let's get a pullback if we can to 39. I'll try this again at 39 on a pullback. We're not going to get to 39 for the love of God, man. I want 38, 39. I'll try 39. Pending 2 minis at 39. Okay, I am using the ATM strategy, so if there's an add-in, it's all the way back at 25, just FYI. No. We at 39.50? 39 quarter. You stink. Would have had target. Gave me one. Target filled. Filled one, target filled. You guys good? Anybody get filled? You got target. Anybody having a hard time following along here, guys? Anybody? All right, we're going to get a little bit of a better pullback on this, fellas. 37 is going to break. 25 is the next bounce. 25. It's going to be a VWAP bounce. 25, 26. And the add-in is 15. So if you're trading micros, it's 5 at 26, 5 at 15. So I have 26 and 16 on minis. 26 and 16 on minis. And we get 28 and a quarter. You stinker. I guess I could have been off on that a little bit. But I don't think we're getting the... Come on, tag VWAP. Let me take a look at... Need some help with ES. Would be nice if ES can break above that 20.5. If we can get above 21, call it 22 ES, we trade 35. NASDAQ is parked. Still 1,800 buyers. Come on, you want to touch VWAP. I know you do. 260 sellers in this block. There's 29, 28. All right, long. Target hit and filled. Booyah, baby. Booyah. I must be using the wrong, because I should have 1 and 1. Why is that doing that? Took them both off at the same target. Another winner. You guys good? We waited for it. Now wait. Everybody good? The whole goal here, guys, is not to take a losing trade. Anybody take 26? One guy responded. Okay. All right. Bunch of you. Okay. I think this area holds, fellas. This is my opinion. I think we pop back up now to 52. We're holding the next area would be 19.7520. So I'm going to go back to micros. Okay. Damn, V. Nice job, Dennis. Really nice job. First day in as a trial. Nice job. All right, guys. I'm going to try 1950. Okay. 19.5. 5 micros at 19.5. You're welcome, Dennis. You're welcome. Okay. 5 micros, 19.5. We do have some selling. Oh my goodness. If we break 15, though, this could get slicey and dicey. We definitely don't want to break 15. We have 1,500 net buyers. I'm looking for a push back up to target 1 at 30. All right, guys. I'll add 5 in at 12. So I added in at 12. Now the goal is to get rid of 5. Let's get them off at 18. Try to get 5 off at 18. And then we're back to the original position. This wants to push down to 98. All right, 5 off. 5 off. We're not letting the trade go red, so I'm on the close button. Got to bounce up through 19.5, and then we get 25 to 29. How are you down $800? What are you doing? What are you doing, man? I'm flat. I'm flat. I'm out of this trade. There's no way you can listen. I can't say there's no way. Tell me how you're missing my entries when I'm telling you in advance what I'm doing and I'm freezing my DOM and showing the pending trade. The only way that you could be missing my entries is you're watching the ES, which I know you love, and you're not paying attention to what I'm doing. So tell me how you're missing entries, man. Tell me what I can do better to help you. Guys, listen, I'm putting this out to everybody in this room. I'm not going to say any names, so if you guys tell me to fuck off, I'll fuck off. How can I tell me what I can do differently or better, maybe a better word. Tell me what I can do better to make it easier for you guys. In my mind, I'm doing everything I can, right? All right, well, thank you, James. You have the ATM settings, okay? You're welcome, Dennis. You have the ATM settings that I'm using, right? I do. I say I'm close the trade. The ATM settings that I'm using are the ones that I sent out to everybody that's in the Funded Trader group. So the ATM settings are if you're trading. Yeah, that's what I do, Lori. I tell you guys, 5, I'm adding in 5. But be that as it may, let me just address the one issue. If I trade minis, if I'm trading minis, you should know the ATM setting. It's 2 contracts, one off at 20 ticks, 5 handles, one off at 30 ticks. So it's a $250 trade. That's never changed. Never has that changed. If I'm trading micros, I'm not using an ATM. We talked about this. I don't use an ATM because I'm adding in that. There's a reason I'm trading micros. I can withstand deeper pullbacks if I go to micros. When I'm seeing momentum in the last two trades, I did minis, but I'm back to micros, no ATM. So for instance, I could take a long here at 93. Let's call it a long at 90, 93, pending 5 micros at 93. Filled. We'll add 5 micros. Well, we could come 89. We'll add 5 micros. At 70. So let's say I'm wrong for 25 points. It's $50 a contract. It's $250, right? I'm not getting much of a bounce out of this zone. Looks like the NASDAQ wants to push lower. 76 is where it's coming to. So you guys may want to take your risk off here. It's a ding-dong trade. $25, $30. Kill it. Kill it. May still hold. But it looks like we're not holding this 60-minute support. Hang on, fellas. Let me just, yeah, maybe we will hold it. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of like this zone, guys. We're back in that purple zone I showed you guys yesterday. This is where this whole, there it goes. This is where the whole up move started. All right, so now we're pushing back into, trying to push back into this bull flag. Look, we're still essentially, what window do I use, Floyd? What window? I have no window. I don't use Chart Trader, dude. I don't use Chart Trader. Look, we're still holding the bull flag. We traded all the way to the bottom of the bull flag, guys. That's all we did. Floyd, when do you open your room? Tell me when your room opens. I'm going to come trade with you. I mean, I got a trial member in here for the first day and took how many trades? Yeah, but listen, if you asked me to trade in pink underwear on my head while clapping my hands and licking my toes, I can't do that. You're asking me to do something that I don't do. You're asking me to do something I don't do. I don't chart trade. I can't chart trade. Okay? Any more than I can throw a baseball with my left hand. Okay, so what you're saying is get rid of the DOM. Don't even use the DOM and use chart traders. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? I only trade on the DOM too, Lori. So one guy listen. So one guy, Lori only trades on the DOM. Jack piped in and says, use the DOM, it's easier. Floyd's telling me use the DOM and show chart trade. Okay, here we go. Tell you what, here we go. Here's what we're going to do. Hang on, fellas. Means a lot to me. All right. Let me just see one thing here, guys. Do not follow this trade. Why the fudge did that not show up? Oh, I know why. That's right. Send me a hot pink thong. I'm cool with that. If it makes me money, I'll wear the sucker. Trust me. Let me see here, guys. Let me do not follow this trade. Okay. Hang on, guys. Now I got to adjust lines. So this should suffice. I think what Floyd is saying. I am going to take a long at 72 is my first entry. If you can't see that on the Dom and Chart Trader, I got nothing for you. I will add in on that at 65. Okay, so long 72, 5 micros. We've gone negative delta. We're not getting much of a bounce off that support. 55 is my add-in. That's my add. I'm not digging this. Well, I'm glad it's easy for you, but I don't like buying falling knives, but we're catching a falling knife here. But this is the bottom of support. This better hold. We have a negative delta of 600 contracts. Another shot from the cheap seats. Then don't take the trade, Mark. I'm not listen, Floyd, give me a break, will you please? Seriously. Get the fuck out of my ass today. Trying to take 5 off at 65 quarter. I want to get off half the position and then try to run 5. Come on. Come on, buyers. We have some buyers, fellas. Not enough. Come on. Almost got there. It's trying to hold. Come on. Whoever's blowing my phone up, stop. Get up there, you rat bag. Come on, I got 240 buyers. Let's go. Come on. Next 5-minute bar, not for a minute and a half. Oh. 5 off. 5 off. There you go, Mark. Don't buy stocks on the down move. That's right. You guys have no clue how to fucking trade. Closed it out. I need a break. I'll be back. All right, fellas, here is the ES. ES is going, we've recaptured 4,000 on the ES. That should go. Target one filled, ES. Big move up. NASDAQ, I would have liked one more pullback to 27. We're still holding the 50-day moving average in the bottom of the daily bull flag. Let me get that out of here because that's break even +1. All right, guys. Buyers are coming in. We're back up to 1,000 buyers. This is why we buy bottoms and not sell bottoms. All right. First resistance is 86. First support is 60. Above 86, we go 94. Where's that damn Dom? All right, ES got second target. Second target hit and filled, ES. I'm shutting that bot off for the day. It's done. 762.50. NASDAQ is done up 25.40. If gold gets target 1, I'll shut this off. Crude did not get that short for whatever reason. All right, we just hit first area, next target up, NASDAQ. I need a pullback. First, you can buy 81 on the NASDAQ on a pullback. 81. This is micros. It's on the screen on my Dom. Can't make it any easier. 81 entry. Come on. If that hit 81 and didn't fill me, I'm going to be annoyed. Should have come to 80 half. I should be good by 2 ticks. All right, there's 80 half, in at 81. In at 81. So I will add into this trade if need be. I don't really have an add-in. At 60. I don't think it comes back there, though. I mean, this would really have to puke to go to 60. If we get up through 88, 89, our target is going to be 3 off at 95. That's my target, okay? 3 off at 95. Three off at 95. On the screen, on my Dom. And then I'm going to try to hold final target at 12,150 would be final target, and I'll look for add-ins to trade around the 2 contract core position. And we've got to get above this 87 and maintain 87. We have 1,200 net buyers, guys. The only thing I'm buying is pullbacks. I would add in at 74. That's an add-in, 74. It's not much of a difference, but what? I would add in at 74 if you guys want to add in. So I'll buy 5 at 74, which would alter my average cost, consequently changing my first target. I'm done looking at this. All right, my average cost is now 77. I have 10 on, so I'm going to try to take 5 off here at 80. Come on, don't you pull back here. It's got to hold here unless we come back to 58. I'll add 10 at 58, which would give me 2 equivalent of 2 minis. I'm not liking this pullback here. If this doesn't hold, it'll be a quick kill, guys. It's got to bounce here. I'm going to take that target down. I'm going to make that 10 off at 68, 69. 10 off, half the position off at 69. Need to get up through 66 to get 69. One more 30 range candle and it's good to go. Nope. Small sellers in here. 27, 24, 23. All right, guys, I'm going to have to kill this trade, I think. Nope. Come on, push up here. This is where it's got to go, right here. Get up through 62, 75, 63. It'll get a new candle. Come on. I'm out. I'm flat. I'm flat. I'm flat. YM went short on the bot. All right. My next entry is 2650. 2650. This is the last bot trade for the YM. It's got to hold 40 or else we'll get that 2650. Held 40. Back down to a flat delta. Hourlies are short. 10 minutes are short. Delta's negative 110, 107. $27.25. It's pushing the bottom of that bull flag again. $16 is oversold. 3 standard deviations. Back above the 68, you might 53 could take it long. Crude was along at 77. I wasn't watching crude. Gold's doing nothing. Dang it. Floyd, you should be, listen, I'm just now catching up. My chat wasn't. Maybe you should be trading with him, Floyd. Marty. Guys, I appreciate all the positive comments. Well, we didn't get 27. We got 34. This is at 53. If this breaks, we're going up. We're back above the 95. And we're setting up for longs here. As long as we hold the 95, we're set up for longs. Need to get above 58.75. Come on, push. 500 buyers, 530 buyers. Push right here. It's just these couple of ticks of sellers. 57.50. We need 58.50. 58.50 to go. Well, hit 58.50. Okay, out on the YM. We hit 58.50. That's where it died. I'll tell you when I'm going long, guys. All right, Paul, that would be cool. I gave up on it. It took one trade and that was the end. I mean, I took one trade with it and it didn't copy the trade and I closed it. I don't have time to play with it. Back to 400 net buyers. We get above this 59.60. We should get 71. Minor support at 38.25, but I like that 27 area. $600 buyers in this block, in this candle. 600. I think we're going back to 61, my opinion, but I think we go back to 61. I would try this at 47. These are minis now. All right, so I bought 47. Come on. Damn it. 500 buyers, and we're losing buyers. We're back below the 95. I'm going to take this out, I think, in a second here, guys. I'm on the close. Buyers are trying again. This is what's got to go. If we get through this, I'd add into this trade on the up move. Come on. Got to get back above 48. There we go. I added 2 more. Target filled. Told you I'd add in on the up move. See, this is the problem now. My DOM is here, but the chart is on MNQ. Final target 71. Final target 71. Final target 71. $68. Let's make it 68. Final target 68. That's good. 68. Little bit of 3-minute resistance here at 59.5, 60. Small time frame stuff. 2-minute resistance on the cloud if you guys are looking at the 2-minute cloud. We could go back 101. So final target for me is 68. I got buyers. Got buyers. Got to 64. If you guys want money, it's your prerogative. It's a nice little runner. I wanted to hold this right here. 57. That's about my kill, just below that. Come on. Give me 68. Let's go, Rat Dog. Come on, you headless chicken. 3 buyers on the top at 65.75. Here we go. This push here. This should do it right here on this bar. Come on. Give me 68. Got a 5-minute double top here. That's our problem. We got to, if we break through that 66 quarter, obviously we get target pretty quickly. I'm going to take my money here. I'm done. I was up 650 to down whatever the hell I was down, and now back up to 680. I still think we're setting up for longs, guys. So Nolan or somebody asked me this in order flow class or for order flow. You guys see how we're pulling the 68 lower? You see how this is getting dragged down? That's overhead resistance. Think of a trend line. This is setting up to go back up long. 71 is where we're going to stop, probably pull back, and we're going to work up to 89. If NASDAQ gets back above 94, we're going 150. Would have had target. We're going to 150 above 94. Were you guys able to follow along? So again, this is on MNQ. You guys good on that with the DOM? Is there anybody at this point that's still red? Anybody still red? I had two guys that were red. Are you guys green now? Nice YM, great bot day. All right, Ben. Up 1140 for nice red with. You're funny, Paul. Who's George? You mean Floyd? I guarantee you, Floyd is not red. I would bet my lungs Floyd is not red. The guy can trade. Well, yes, I'm sure you did. Across how many accounts? All right, so that's 1,500 an account. It's a hell of a day, man. Listen, Floyd. I'll be the first to give you credit. There's, I will give everybody credit. No, I don't stay open for on FOMC. If it was an FOMC day, I would, Dennis. I keep the room open all day. We take a break at 11, come back at 1:45, and then trade to the close. But for FOMC minutes, nah. I think, guys, if we break above 94, I'm telling you, we're going 150. They got shorts trapped now. This is why I don't sell bottoms. These are look at this is my okay right here long NASDAQ at 72 on MNQ. I just damn missed it trying to change the chart over. I will buy MNQ 5 if I can get 72. I'll even take 73. We're fixing to blow back up is what it looks like to me. That bull flag, yeah, we're back in the bull flag. What was the bull flag? I will buy 5 at 73. Call it. I'll take them at 74. They're micros. Okay, Mark. I'll buy 75 at 74. I'm not going to get it. I'm not going to buy the up move. If you guys want to trade minis, I can scalp the minis. Right. Hang on, guys. All right, you're trading minis? Okay. 78.50 is the scalp on the minis. Call it 79. I'm pending 2 minis at you rat bag. 79. I'm scalping the minis. 79 long. Okay. This is MNQ on the screen. Come on, bottom of that candle, 78 quarter. I'm trying to get 79 half, 75. All right, look it. I'm going to move this up to 79 quarter, half, 79 half. God darn it. Come on. And I'm still not going to get it. I'm not chasing it. This is on the cusp of blowing out, okay, or blowing up. NASDAQ's going higher, guys. We're going to get 95 and probably 102. But I'm trying to scalp the candle, just this one candle. Let me get this the hell off. So here's the NQ. Gone. Cancel that trade. I got to get a wick. I need a wick. All right. Now we can try to scalp 82.50. Okay, long 82.50, but it's got to pop right back up. Top of the candle is target 1. Drop it down to 86. Yeah, get rid of this. Target 1 is 86.25 maybe. Got to 84. Come on. Got buyers. 1,400. Damn, it's going to pull back to 71. It's going to pull back to 71, I think. Let me get this out of here. Come on, give me a new 30 range candle. Here we go. Give me a new 30 range candle and go. Here we go. Come on. Pop it. $40-$60 sellers in here. They're buying them up. There are sellers in here, but they're getting bought. This is annoying. New candle. We should get this target. We hit target and didn't fill it. Yeah, we're pushing small resistance right here at 87. Target 1 hit and filled. Target 1 filled. Target 1 filled, fellas. Closed it. You guys good? Guys, you good? Stuart, you good? This is we're on the cusp of breaking out. We're on the cusp of look at. I got to get above 93, 94, and my target is 150. There's nothing here. I got nothing here. Small time frame resistance, but here's my support zone. This is my resistance zone, but we've already come through it. I need to get above 92.50. Above 92.50, and I think she's a rocket ship. She's an Elton John. We're just kind of flat here with 1,600 net buyers. We're on the cusp of breaking out. We're at least going to get to VWAP and then 17. This is where micros are better because you can sit in the trade. Minis are going to make you nervous. There's no, the momentum has died. Here's the breakout. There's the breakout. All right, guys, I'm going to take another trade long here with a target at VWAP. Target is going to be 106. Hang on. We have 2,000 net buyers. You do not want to be short. Okay, Marty, did you get your $5,000 target for the day? All right, I'm long. $5,600 a day. My man. Come on, you rat dog. '98's our problem. Come on. Some small sellers in here. Pushing 60-minute resistance, guys. Final target is 06 if we get out of this first one. Never mind. Got both targets. Too fast. And there's my 06 target. Almost to the damn tick. To the tick. I can't get any closer than final target to the tick. You guys good? Fellas? Well, I have to live with the fact I had a loser today. Thank you, Gord. All right. I had two guys that were down, Mark and Stewart. Okay, down $41 now. Okay, Mark. I'm telling you, yeah, the AT, yeah. Listen, we are going back up. I'm telling you, we are. Close of this 5-minute bar. Listen, we're going to one. Next target is 124. We're going up. We're going up. 2,500 net buyers. Nice job, Mark. All right, Deepak, I have. You're up 17,000 today, Steve? Steve, what are you saying? Totals for the day. Here are your bot totals for the day. ES finishing up 762.50. CL 220. NASDAQ 2540. YM 380. And gold 1140. How about a $5,000 day on the bots? 5,042.50. On top of a $4,200 day yesterday? Yeah, man. Guys, anybody have any questions before I wrap it up? Let's see here. Hang on one second. Yeah, I'm closing the room now as well, Dennis. Let's see. Awesome. We'll see you tomorrow morning, Dennis. Well, I know today alone, one of our members got funded on an Apex account using only the bots. Mike did. And if Ben is still in the room, Ben is trading the bots live. I only know this because that's what people tell me. So if anybody else is, I'm unaware of it. Peter's up 956. Nice job. Guys, listen. If anybody has any suggestions in this room